Hi everyone, it's Miss Lucas here with your ELA lesson for today, and we are looking at the standard RL.KID.3, which says, describe how the plot of a story or drama unfolds, as well as the characters respond or change as the plot moves toward a resolution. So with this same standard with an informational text, we were looking at the key ideas, and we were looking at how the author develops those key ideas, either by illustrating, developing, or introducing. And so we're going to apply that kind of same mindset, but with a literature piece. So we are looking at characters, how they respond and change, and how the plot or events are moving towards that resolution towards the end of the text. So here are guiding questions for the standard. What are the key moments? Focusing on those ideas in the story. How does the character respond or change as the plot develops over time? And how are the series of events in the story organized? So as a reader, we're kind of keeping that framework in our mind as we read our literature piece. So we're going to break that down. We're really looking at the characters in the story. So which characters are complex? That means they are going to be changing and they are going to be evolving. Then we need to notice how the characters interact. So how do characters respond? How do they interact with each other? And what does that reveal about them? And the last one is we need to identify the motivations of key characters. So where do the motivations conflict with the other characters' motivations? And what does the conflict reveal about the characters? So I've gathered some questions from last year's benchmark just to kind of show you what this is going to look like and what's going to be asked of you. So here's one example. How does John change from the beginning of the passage to the end? So once again, we are focusing on John, that complex character, and seeing how he changes over time. So at the beginning of the text, he was this way, but then changed to this at the end of the text. Next question is, which event causes Dobbin to run away? So once again, we're looking at the plot, those key events, and how the character responds. What causes Dobbin to run away? What was that motivation or reason or event? The next one is, based on evidence from paragraphs 24 through 33, how does Betty respond to the emergency? So once again, the question is asking you to go back to a specific part of the text. So it's really easy to zoom in on that, which we should, but we should also take into consideration what is around that piece of text. And we need to think about character's reaction and how a character responds to that event or that conflict. So hopefully this helped you just kind of give you an idea of where we are going with this standard. And we're just really focusing on going back to the very beginning. We're focusing on how the plot of a story, specifically, sometimes it will be a drama, how it unfolds, and how the characters respond or change as the plot or events move towards the end of the text.